Believe it or not, the question I get many times is not so much, should I buy a Thermomix, but how do I buy a Thermomix? Thermomix is not on the shelves in Costco, Target, or any other store, so people wonder what the deal is. Also, Thermomix is super famous in Europe, Australia, and parts of Asia, and it's now in the US. But many Europeans, for example, living here, they don't know that yet. So they keep bringing their units from overseas and having to use huge voltage converters. Stop that! So I'm here to answer these questions and any others you may have. How do you buy a Thermomix? Getting in contact with a consultant. If you know one, that is awesome! Give them a call and buy through their link. Let's say if you have a friend who sells vacations, then you're happy to buy that vacation through them, right? Maybe you were going to do it anyway, but now you're happy because you're helping a friend and this friend is going to give you a great personalized attention. Woohoo! Now, if you don't know any consultants, I can definitely help you with that. Just email me here and we will be in contact right away. Or you can go to Thermomix.com and click Book a Demo. Now, a lot of people end up buying directly online because they have already decided they want a Thermomix and they don't want a demo, or they don't have time for an initial demo. They just want to receive their Thermomix right away. Well, then don't get confused with the wording. When you book a demo, you are just requesting a phone call. A consultant will call you within a day, many times within the hour, and they will let you choose. You can get a demo at your place or their place if you live close, or online. It can be before purchase, or if you want to buy right away, it could be after purchase to teach you how to use it. And no, it's not difficult. That's the whole point of the Thermomix, right? That it is easy. But still, it's really nice to get all the tips from the pro. There are many functions and possibilities. Or you can ask them any questions you may have, and when you're ready to buy, you can use their purchase link to save the $49 in shipping. At the time I'm making this video, and in the US, the consultant's purchase link includes free shipping already when you add a TM6, saving you $49. When you go to the purchase link, you'll be in Thermomix.com and you'll see the consultant's name right there. Then you just need to add your Thermomix to the shopping cart and automatically you'll see how the shipping fee becomes $0. Then check out like you would in any other shopping cart. You will see options to pay with a credit card, PayPal, Alipay, and with financing. At the time of this video, the financing companies are Bread and Affirm. Would you like to check your financing options? Go ahead. It's a soft check. It won't affect your credit. You may get payment plans for 3 months, 6 months, or 1, 2, or even 3 years. You can also try PayPal for financing. Once you're done, the Thermomix will be on its way. Even though it's manufactured in Europe, the warehouse is in Texas, so you will receive it in about 2 to 5 business days, or about a week if you are in Hawaii. So what comes with a Thermomix? All of these accessories, 2 years warranty, 6 months of the recipe platform Cook I Do, and it's only $55 a year afterwards if you choose to keep using it, which I would. And it also comes with your consultant. Could you buy without a consultant? Yes, you could. You can go to Thermomix.com directly. Now, don't go anywhere else if you want a new unit. The manufacturer's website is the only option, okay? Anyway, so if you're going to buy directly from the website, please be advised that you are choosing not to have personalized help, or at least it is not guaranteed. The Thermomix customer service line is there to answer warranty questions, technical questions, etc. They will not be the ones guiding you. As we have established, using a Thermomix is not difficult, and there are many how-to videos out there, some of them are mine. But buying through a consultant is also like locking in free extended support in case you'll need it. Why? Well, thanks to your purchase, the consultant gets their commission, and they are very grateful to you. If you want, they'll be available to answer questions along your Thermomix journey. They can give you recipe ideas, they can add you to social media cooking groups, invite you to cooking classes. They can help you earn points and gifts, and they can let you know about cool offers or new products that are not even released yet. If later on a friend wants to buy a Thermomix, you'll be able to get goodies when you refer them to your consultant while hosting a demo, or your consultant can get you signed up and your friend can buy from you. So, Who are these consultants? These consultants are passionate users, like me, that fell in love with their Thermomix. Sorry, honey. And they love sharing their passion. The same way you want all your friends to watch a movie that you loved or to go to a restaurant that you have discovered, these consultants believe that everyone should at least know what a Thermomix is, so they can consider it as an option. When I heard about it, that was my reaction. This was an option and I didn't know about it. So now I have this urge to tell the world because in my case, it has changed my life. When you buy from us, you help us offset those demos where we didn't get a sale yet, because everyone loves a Thermomix after a demo, and you help us keep doing what we love, even when it includes teaching someone who already bought it online. Because yes, many of us do it anyway. See, the same way we like to support local businesses, we need to support our consultants. Get a Thermomix with a consultant. Now you're asking yourself, could I be a consultant? Absolutely. If you already have a white TM6, you are one form away from being a consultant. No cost involved at all, just commission for sharing your passion. If you don't have a Thermomix, you can earn one for free. So many of my friends have earned the Thermomix, it's not even funny. And me, of course. Since the system could change from the moment I'm making this video, please contact your consultant or me for details. Or go to thermomix.com and click Join Our Team to have someone contact you and explain. We can get you set up in less than an hour. So let's recap. Yes, Thermomix is in the US, so stop bringing them from other countries. 2, please buy from a consultant, the one who sent you this video, me, or request one from the website. See, I'm not selfish, it really is a passion. 3, the website says book a demo, but if you're in a rush or you don't need a demo, that's okay. The consultant is happy to help you with whatever you need. 4, yes, you can buy directly from the website, but please remember, you'll be paying for shipping, and it is not guaranteed you'll have the help of a consultant if later on you feel the need of one. This is our passion, but we also need to feed our families. And 5, you can pay with credit card, applying for financing, or with your time, becoming a consultant yourself. It's really easy to join, so please ask for details. All right, so now, if you need a Thermomix, who you gonna call? Your consultant, right? Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and email me. I can answer any questions you may have. Thank you.